Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to spice up your WPForms by adding field icons. No coding required. So let's dive in and make those forms pop. Alright, before we get started, you will need the ultimate add-ons for WPForms and the field icons add-on. Go to Ultimate Add-on submenu. Select the form you want and click on the field icons panel. Now let's talk icons. Field icons for WPForms comes pre-integrated with Font Awesome. To add an icon, first make sure you have checked the Enable Icons box. Then just click on the input field you want to add icon on. This will open up the icon selection panel. Choose your icon and boom, the preview will refresh instantly so you can see the changes right away. Working with a multi-page form? No problem. Just click the selected page drop-down at the top right of the preview to choose the page you want to check. Now let's talk customization. You have full control over how the icons look on your form. Here's what you can adjust. Resize the icons for desktop, tablet and mobile views. Place your icon on the left or right side of the input field. Choose any color you like using the color picker. Adjust the spacing of your icons from top, bottom, left and right. These settings let you seamlessly integrate the icons with your form design, making them look like they belong. Alright, that's how you add and customize field icons in WPForms. It's super easy way to enhance the design and usability of your forms without any coding. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. Drop any questions in the comments below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching and happy form editing.